I have actually not been on this thing, so.
Pretty buried, isn't it?
Pretty good, man. It'd be cool if this one was original. I could actually see this one being original. Like, there's a good chance it is.
Here it is.
Well, it is a Dover Impulse. Sounds original.
Boy, oh boy, me first at the Dover.
Yep, it's still original.
These things get views, that's for sure. This in Dover, it looks like. Actually, this is a ThyssenKrupp because of that label.
Still have a bumper on it?
Yep.
That does.
Look at that.
Actually called the safety edge.
Hang on. I've got to, right?
Yep.
So it's also got the optics here too.
Oh, the old, yeah.
Yeah. I gotta get this. Dry power kind of surprises me.
There is blue, so this is a Dover.
Yep.
So it's just they slapped a new logo on it.
I think it's over.
No, it's a Dover.
That's it.